जब आती है कायर को ही दहलाती है। सच है, विपत्ति जब आती है कायर को ही दहलाती है। सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज खोते, विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं, कांटों में राह बनाते हैं। रेस्पेक्टेड शारदा मैम, एक्स चेयरमैन नगर पालिका झालरापाटन, रेस्पेक्टेड हरिशंकर सर, रिटायर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर झालावाड़, respected director sir, director ma'am, dear parents and my beloved students. On behalf of Sigma family, I welcome you all on our 21st and through this theme, we hope to inspire our students to embrace failure as a learning opportunity and to view setbacks as stepping stones to success, as well as approach towards life with a positive attitude. Sigma School of Excellence continues to uphold its commitment to excellence in education, fostering a dynamic learning environment that empowers students to thrive academically, socially, and personally. This past year has been marked by resilience, innovation, unwavering dedication as we navigated through challenges and embraced opportunities for growth. Our students have once again demonstrated exceptional academic prowess. We are very proud to inform that Sigma School achieved best results in 2023 board examinations. 11 of our students got gold medal in International Maths Olympiad. 2 students got gold medal in National Science Olympiad, and this is done by none other school in Jhalawad. In response to the evolving needs of our students, the school has embraced innovative approaches to teaching. Let's have a glance.
Can you tell me what are points? Yes.
We explain 2 or more words connected to each other are called joints.
So as you have said, so that the concept thoroughly enters the mind of the students. From the integration of technology in the classroom to the implementation of project-based initiative, we remain at the very forefront. Sigma School organized student-led conferences, SLCs, where students from class nursery to class 12 prepare a project or a model on the topic of their particular syllabus and represent it in front of hundreds of parents. This not only clears their concept but also boosts their confidence by tremendous amounts. To inculcate our Indian values and ethos in students, we have also introduced programs like Grandparents Day, which was a youth success, Pyari Maa competition, 7 days personality development workshop, school cinema, in which students are taught life skill through movies. At Sigma School, we believe in nurturing not only just the minds but also the bodies of the students. And that is why school has appointed a state level softball player as a coach. 2 students of Sigma School got selected for state level table tennis this year. 5 students got gold medal at state level Hapkido tournament. For first hand knowledge, school organized educational tour for junior students. It was for Chambal Riverfront, Kota. We have launched Sankalp program this year, in which through various weekly activities and various other concepts, English fluency of students is targeted to be improved. As we reflect on the past year and look ahead to the future, we remain steadfast in our commitment to excellence, innovation and continuous improvement. Together, we will continue to empower students to achieve their dreams, make meaningful contributions to the society and become the leaders of tomorrow. On behalf of the entire Sigma family, I extend my sincere gratitude to our students, our staff, our faculty and our parents for their unwavering support and dedication. I will end this report with these beautiful lines of Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji to extend our motto. गहन सघन मनमोहक वंतरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं, गहन सघन मनमोहक वंतरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं, किंतु किए जो वादे मैंने याद मुझे आ जाते हैं। अभी कहाँ आराम बदा, अभी कहाँ आराम बदा, यह मूक निमंत्रण चलना है, अरे अभी तो मिलो मुझको चलना है। दैट्स द मोटो फॉर सिग्मा स्कूल। थैंक यू।